Hey guys, this is Kurt from Off-Leash Canine Hawaii, and today I want to talk to you about another dog that came in. Her name is Elle. She's a 1-year-old Border Collie Poodle mix. Now, Elle is one of the funnest dogs to play with, but it's because she's a big ball of energy. She doesn't know what to do with herself, and she's flopping around everywhere. Now, what we did was just go ahead and give her some manners, and also teach her that she needs to have some structure in her life. Besides that, she had some anxieties that we need to deal with, so a lot of exposure, desensitization, as much as we could get within 2 weeks. Moving on, we went over some of her basic commands, and she already knew her sit. Her down was coming along, it was pretty good already, but everything else needed to be taught. So once she understood the e-collar, what we expect from her, everything was smooth sailing, it's easy. I had a fun time with Elle. I'm really gonna miss her. But I'm gonna have to go ahead and show you guys the videos for the last 2 weeks, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Aloha.
and we are taking her home tonight, and we're really, really excited about the possibilities that we have now with her. Can't imagine going out like in public, to a beach, to a park, and we feel like we have the tools and that she has a really good foundation. We're so grateful for Kirk for providing that and for off-leash training, and we're excited to do the work, I think, at least I am, as a family, and be consistent so that she continues in her training and learning. So we're so excited. Thank you so much.